Where is that idiot you call a daughter?
Please, Igwe. Whatever you want to do to my daughter, do it to me, but spare her life, please.
Really? Take him up.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Oh, Igwe, please. Spare my life. Igwe, please. Spare my life. Igwe, please. Oh, spare my life. Oh.
Bring the casket.
Man, this period go too semo. This festive period go for everywhere marama dey wine. Hi! Everywhere go. Eh? What happen?
Problem dey.
What's he?
Dikeh dey house. He dey with Papa.
Eh?
If you no follow me go now, Papa, something fit sup for Papa house oh.
You say wetin?
They tell you say Dikeh dey there. He dey there. He dey with Papa.
Wait, I dey come.
Hi.
Papa! Papa! What have you done to my father? What have you done to him, you murderer? You bastard! What have you done to him? Papa! 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 No! Papa! 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 No!
Hey, you. Are you the person in charge of here?
Yes. No problem. Young man, on whose authority are you working on this site?
Maziokoro's son, Mr. Andy. This is his project and I'm in charge.
Any problem? So since when have you people started working on a site without the consent of the king?
Chinekeme. Now what thing they happen for here now? What thing they happen for this community now? This is his father's land. He inherited it from his father. He need king permission to build house for his own papa land.
Kai.
We done now.
Kai, young man, you better be careful, is that clear? Don't get me upset here. Who are you? I said, who are you?
Now officer, no dey jike me now. We you now. No dey jike me because say carry kalana. My name is Soko Sisi. I'm from this community. And the little I know, you are working for the king. You're not from this community. So no dey jike me now. We your compass now.
Oh. I can see you have mouth, ba? I can see you have guts. You don't drink crocodile water, ba?
Officer, I see me like this now. I no get time for problem. Allow me, make I do my work. Go do your work for palace.
Stop that nonsense you are talking about. Leave these premises right now. I say you should get out from here.
What thing they happen here now? Abobia. Come, manipulate, they talk to people who kala. You to a cookie like you.
Hey! Officer! You go money. Hey! Officer!
Hey! What thing they happen here, sir? What they happen here? What thing they happen here?
If you have guts. If you have guts, Abi. You think you have guts, Abi?
Yes!
You think you have guts?
Yes!
Go down.
Yes!
Go down. You think?
Yes!
Are you stupid?
Chineke man!
I said, are you mad? Are you okay? Hold on, man! Hey, go that way! That way! Catch that man! Go! Get that man! Hey, hold me! Go now, hold on! Hey, hold me! Get that man, catch him! Hey!
Carry and pass around. Make you see away. Fast. How you doing now?
Fine, okay.
You go fresh. This Lagos good for your body.
Give God the glory. You look good, You're enjoying yourself. When I found out that you are into this business, I thought about giving you a contract to supply chicken for the burial ceremony.
You're a good friend, though.
Observer.
Okay. Carry on. Get with.
This is your best. They are majestic. I'm really impressed.
No, wait a minute. They carry on. Wait. All the two make you see.
Okay, no go die.
They chop well. No, can you give them the two? Obi.
Okay, I think I think I like them.
Ikpo abi, Turkish.
Naza, you're so funny. You've not changed.
Andy. Andy. Trouble don't boss you. Trouble day.
I don't understand. What's going on?
No, be down my king. Down my stupid. This one a stupid king. One don't know whether in they hide. Because no only person where they hide. And I'm going to do what they do. Because I don't know what they give and the Manchester way making going to do for this community. You check out now. In come carry men, come lap your site. Those useless people where they full am. They carry kala come your site. Lap the site. As if say that one no dey enough. Now these people start to punch me. If no be say hold my side, then for just do me anyhow. The one where they pay me now, they say they don't seal your site. What? They don't seal your site. You say may nobody work there again. Now workers waiting for your site, don't do man.
Because a royal seal in my site. Is this madness?
This one no be madness, it pass madness. This one na highness. The guy they high.
Naza, I have to leave now. I have to.
Please follow up the matter. Should I come with you?
No, don't worry, I'll be back.
Hey, can't tell me this. Why is this man behaving like this? Carry the phone, we'll go back. Make one no beat them. Check on the open mat, they need water. Okay.
Someone is looking for you.
Let him in.
Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness. My name's Andy Okeke. The man you sealed this property. With all due respect, Your Highness, I would love to know the reason why you chased my workers from my site and sealed my property. Your Highness, I'm a son of the soil and I inherited that property from my father.
I see you are new here. Maybe you just came back, so you don't know how things work around here. This kingdom belongs to me. I am the king of this land, King Dikeh. They call me the mountain lion. Before you erect any structure in this kingdom, you must come to me and take royal permission. Did you do that?
No, Your Highness.
No. The answer is no. Simply means you violated the rules. So once you do that, it means the property will be confiscated and it now belongs to me. End of story. If you try to erect any other structure without informing me, it will be sealed and the structure will become mine.
Your Highness, with all due respect, like I said, I'm a bona fide son of the soil. And I inherited that property from my father. I had no idea that I had to come to you to lay a structure in my own village. Pardon me, Your Highness, please.
Guards, move this man out of here.
Your Highness, please, you can't do this. I'm a son of the soil. Your Highness, please, Your Highness.
The king is crazy. The king is mad. The king is mad.
What happened between him and that man that made him put a seal on this building?
Mama, the same question I asked him. But he said I'm mad.
That I'm stupid for asking him such question. He even warned me not to interfere in his business and dealings with his people. Mom, I'm worried because I don't want him to have problems with people. Having issues with people on a daily basis is not healthy.
Because of our land. So you mean to tell me that he doesn't have any tangible reason for placing that seal?
Mama, no reasons at all. No reasons. I'm suffering in that house. I'm suffering in that house. In Dike's house, I'm a nobody. But God knows in my father's house, I'm a queen.
This is serious. Somebody needs to call him to order. What is all this now?
Mama, you have to help me and talk to him. He's your in-law. He's your son-in-law. You have to help me out.
Somebody that doesn't even listen to you.
Are you sure of what you just said? Uncle, you said it to my face. He now lay claims to my building. Uncle, I inherited this property from my father. I plan to build a structure there to host my friends before and after the burial ceremony. And he just came there to shut things down for me, Uncle. Uncle, I'm not going to let this slide. I'm not going to let this slide. I will fight that man till the last drop of my blood.
My son, going against a Dike's wish, I don't know how you intend doing that. How do you intend doing that?
Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me, Uncle. Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me on what to do.
My son, I don't want to lose you the way I lost your father. This is the loss I can never bear. Going against the Dike is a suicidal. And I don't know how you intend winning the case.
Uncle, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Are you trying to tell me to leave my property for him? Why? Property I inherited from my late father.
My son, it's better than risking your life. Yes. You can get a better hotel for your people that will come for the burial. But for that land, forget about it. Because you can never win the case.
Uncle, it's not possible. I will not leave my property for that man. That useless kid. He will kill me this way. I promise you. Heaven will come down, Uncle. I will not leave my property for him. Take it easy. Property I inherited from my late father. You want to take it away from me? For what?
Take it easy, oh. Dike is a very strong man.
And you have fun, you never still tell me anything.
I went to confront that man at the palace. He told me he has taken possession of the land and there is nothing I can do about it.
Taking possession of your land? How? Now he get them. Now papa get the land. They mad.
I don't even know what is going on. I don't even know what is happening. And my uncle is not even helping matters, discouraging me, telling me that there's nothing I would do about it and that this man is a very bad king. Naza, I have legal documents for this property. Hey, what is going on now? What is going on? See, listen, if that man thinks he can talk with everybody, it won't happen. No, it won't happen for me because me, I won't allow him. I won't allow him.
No gree, oh. No gree me they collect your land. Which kind of nonsense be this? That's how this man go just say they oppress everybody anyhow. They misbehave. They show himself. I just they wait for the day when they go carry that in madness near me. The day when they go carry that rubbish come here, that day everywhere go blow for your eye.
Naza, I'm so confused right now. What will I do, Naza? What will I do?
Wait, have you discussed this matter with Ono?
No, I haven't.
I'll carry you go here. I also know we'll go get solution to this matter. Who could they go?
Okay. Thank you very much.
My daughter, since the king had made up his mind over that land, there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Oh no, you need to talk this in a whole you. What do you mean there's nothing anybody can do about it? It don't make sense now. You are the owner. We'll talk some sense into him. Let him return somebody's property. Now still him be that though. Oh.
For all these years you've been in this kingdom, you still believe that someone can talk to our king and he will change his mind over a subject matter he has concluded. Bethany, not even Lolo can make him change his mind. My hands are tied. Count me out. There's nothing I can do.
Oh no, I don't even understand what is going on here. This is beginning to sound outrageous. I don't understand. Are they scared of this king or what? Who does he think he is? Who is this king that everybody is scared of, that no one can talk to?
He is the king. Not just ordinary king, but a powerful and ruthless one. My son, let me tell you, when a madman has so much power, the wise one just stay away from him. I will advise you to forget about this land. Please, my son.
Oh no, I will do no such. I will do no such. I will not forget about my land. I inherited this land from my father. This is my land. I inherited that land from my father. What nonsense?
Now they really mess up for this place, so things go up for this village, oh. We don't go green, oh. That useless king must return person land. Come on, you should say you be on no, because you know they get yourself, oh. You do like Ogbolo.
So now boss can also go a mile.
I will not allow it to happen. It would happen. It will not happen.
God! Before God, what did they happen here? Now your fellow man, now they do all these things for. They vibrate for your fellow man. That's where only me go single-handedly bring down. No, it's not poor now.
Naza, you know I've invested so much on that property. You know how much I've spent on that property now. I will just lose everything just like that.
You no go lose it. You can never lose it. You see that land? You no go lose them. You know what go stop, I go carry this matter, go meet our youth leader. We go make some plans when go favor you. No worry, this is your land. It go come out. You go see him.
And you think he can help?
Anything where youth put hand must come out successfully. And me talk am. Your land go come out. Dikeh no go fit seize that land. And me talk am. No worry, more they go. No relax. No over para.
I'm finished.
You can never be finished. When I dey for you, may mount for you. I dey for you. No worry. More they go.
God.
Astilo.
Hey, Naza.
How far now?
Ado, what's up?
I don't wanna leave me now. You get one or two matter I go like clear you. Things is up for this village, you.
Waiting me that.
You get one of my friend when come village. He go bury him papa in 2 months time. But before then, he don't build house when he go to bury him papa, take host his friends and do other things. Now from nowhere, bam! Dikeh show. Seize the land. Say they not inform am. Say nobody go build anything for that land. This man just oppress everybody for this village. I say more will arrange you too. More will talk this matter because it don't too much. It don't be like this.
Dikeh again. Dikeh again.
Naimo.
Naza, this matter like this, passing. You know, say it gets waiting and never follow on a talk. It and never review to you. You see, something happened. That period where everybody thinks I travel. I'm not ready to travel. Something happened. On today's meeting, we shall be deliberating on the dress code for the Afro festival. On that day, I need every youth to be uniformed and dress smartly. We need to show them that the youths of this village have not come to play.
001, you're carried.
So I need us.
As you talk, I'm not so.
And who is in charge of this gathering? I am the one. You are Austin, I guess. Yes, I am. I see. And who gave you the permission to hold this gathering? I do not understand. Do I need anybody to authorize me before I hold the youth meeting? As the youth leader, I am their voice. My silence means they have no voice. What are you talking about?
Listen, young man. You better seek wisdom and apply caution, is that clear? You are nothing without the permission of the king, is that clear?
It's not clear. I don't need the permission of the king or anyone else to hold the youth meeting. This meeting doesn't concern the king.
I see. But I see that you have gods. Young man,
Caesar, everybody here! Caesar! We just keep quiet. You just see the entire youth. You just merchandise, enter inside our meeting. The Caprison anyhow. We tell you now. See, as I sit down here, I the Facebook you the Caprison anyhow, the Facebook you no be choice. Now see, make I tell you, make I clear you now. No be that what will happen last time. Oh. When they happen here now, for this community, waiting they happen. See, if you, I swear, my boy, if you don't say, I go put up for your body. What? In the say 001, they cap, you they cap. I don't tell you before, say you know from our community. You are not from this community, and you don't get right. You don't work for the king. You don't get right to come the cap anyhow. Who goes you now?
Young man, I've missed you before, and I will not miss you again. I said, sit down here!
How many go light? Leave this one for me. One light. No, how many person go fire here? I don't know. If you move
Come on, move. I said move.
Officer, no be can last something.
Officer, if you move, shoot him. Shoot him for that.
Who be you now?
Officer, move. Officer,
if not be this officer,
shoot him.
I go change your color.
Officer, shoot him.
Nonsense! You push me!
Nonsense!
Hey, hold me!
Officer, wait, make a clear the guy.
Officer, move! Officer, move!
Ogun will kill you.
Officer, you are here!
Hey! I don't know say the matter reach like this, so.
Naza, I spent almost a year for that prison.
Chimo.
When everybody thinks say I travel, maybe I go find one or two, you understand? I dey inside prison almost 1 year. It never reached like 3 weeks when I come outside now. So Naza, like this now, I no want get anything to do with any matter wey concern Dikeh. I beg.
No, this king don't too mess up. He go collect woto or not put water for mouth talk am. He go be for am. Eh? Person need blow him eye, may him mind day. Men go mount for this matter. We go arrange you too. We no go gree.
The thing be saying, I get plan for him. I'm still waiting for the plan to mature. Just need a little bit time. The plan one I get for Dikeh be saying, I go carry matter. All this nonsense we don't do for this village. I go carry matter, go meet the council of traditional rulers. Where they judge the matter. You see everything where you don't, everybody where you don't match in head go ground for this village. Everybody must ball out, come testify. Everybody must testify against his evil acts for this village. And once everybody don't do that finish, they go strip him of that thing where make him parade himself like king. That cap where they in head, where make him the buga, the form king. They go strip him of that kingship.
This your idea, Agbado Ram. If you say that crown don't too big for you, then make it do like Ozuo. We are together youth be that now.
Relax. I get my plan. Once you reach time to execute out. Be number one, I will let you know.
Where were you, Naza? Some customer came looking for you here. Were you not at the pottery?
I went out.
To where? What will be more important than your business, Naza?
But make I tell you, I never get ruler for this kingdom. That Ekwe in where they parade himself as king can never be my king. He cup go soon full. They do like crazy man who escape from rehab.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you commit treason with your mouth? Do you want to get yourself into trouble? What if someone hears you?
Anybody who won't hear, make it hear now. He not get what he hear, won't hear where go make him bleed. And the truth be that.
This one you are sounding like this. I hope you have not crossed path with the king.
I pray to God make me and that king not ever cross paths. Because if we cross path, I swear, he go use the leg run come up from this village. I'm not putting that for mouth talk am. I'm not the cap nonsense. So.
Naza, do not allow any spirit to manipulate you into having issues with the king. Anywhere you see him, give him his maximum respect and go your way. Simple.
Make I carry my respect, give that useless king. Instead of me to give her my respect, I will carry and give goats. I will waste time for goat head. Yes, so.
Naza? Naza?
Yes.
Hi. The
king is crazy. The king is mad.
Policemen are here and they are ready for action.
Oh, good.
Switch off that vehicle.
Good day, officer.
Who else is in this vehicle?
My uncle.
We got an information that you have an unauthorized firearm in this vehicle and we have the license to search your car.
Firearms, officer? Where did you get such silly information for?
Officer, what is going on here? Are you questioning me?
Officer, I'm a businessman. I don't have any business to do with firearms.
Young man, keep quiet. Are you teaching me my job or what?
I'm not teaching you your job, officer. I don't have anything in my car. What is firearms now? I don't understand. I'm a businessman.
Come on, open your vehicle inside. Time.
Officer,
start this photo.
Officer, wait.
Hey, officer, open this photo. Open everything. Am I here to romance you?
Officer, I guess you guys have a lot of time to wait.
Open everything. Search normally.
You have enough time to waste. I will call your superior now. You're telling me I have firearm.
Really? What? Ah! What did you think I'm here to talk with you, man?
Why did you slap me, officer?
What? Better be careful with me, is that clear? Come on, get us, step out!
Search everywhere! Sir, your attention is needed.
What's going on there?
Arms in the boot.
Which arms?
What?
Which arms?
Which arms? Young man, you're under arrest. Move this man.
How? Officer? Hey. Officer, there is a
mission. What is going on here? Move this man.
Officer, officer, I'm not a criminal.
Officer, take it.
Officer, there is a mistake.
Come in. Put him inside the vehicle.
Get inside.
Move. We will talk and finish you.
Where your Igwe? Take me to him now! Oh, yeah, turn now! Quickly, I saw! The mad! is he? Where is the murderer? Where the bastard? Where the mugu?
Do you know where you are? Get out of this palace before I separate your head from your body.
If you near me, I swear to God, your head will fall from your neck. They mad? Call your Igwe for me!
What in God's name is going on here?
Where's your husband?
How dare you address your queen in that manner? Are you mad?
Be like say bomb take your head. Make I cap you. Queen, whenever you talk to your husband, not be queen, not chloroquine. Anyways, not be you carry me come here. Where your fucking husband?
I will not accept any more insults from you. You must address your queen properly.
Let the bomb take your head. I go blast you at the count of 4. 1, where your husband? 2, I know say the mugu there inside they hear my voice. Clear your husband though. And they give him 24 hours to release Andy from the station. Else, blood go flow. Their body go surplus. I'm not gonna want them again. They feel me. 24 hours. Where you? Get up. If you move. Now move. I'm not well. No man, I go ask question. Anybody do any? I go collect water for this place. Now they whine.
Naza, why is your face like this? Is everything okay with you?
Papa, one day, I go remove person head for this community, carry a crown, dash iron condemn, and not put water for mouth talk am.
Which crown are you talking about? Who are you threatening to kill?
Not be that your useless ruler will not get shame. You see me? I go single-handedly fall that in palace if you not release my person from his station.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you, Naza? How would you see death staring at you face to face and you are decided to embrace it? Why? Why are you showing off your stupidity before the whole people in this kingdom? Naza, be careful. Of all the people in this kingdom, it is Igwe Dikeh you are daring at. Think twice.
Who he be? Na bulletproof he be when they know fit there. I beg.
No devil will use you in this family, not even under my watch.
Ah, Papa, nothing go sup. Nothing go happen. See, I am giving him 7 days to release Andy from that station. Else, what go there? Make he go ask question. I know well, oh. What go come, oh? I not be like you. Where run from war? You can't run, come here. I hear say na war, na I pursue you. Come there, come there, hide. I know they fear war. Anything will happen. Make the war happen. We go tiga. 7 days, oh. You should release Andy from that station. Else, that body go surplus, oh.
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza wama. When you call her for war, she's ready for war.
My king, I no longer enjoy the constant conflict. Do you even consider our son? He will be king someday, and how do you expect the people to accept him when the stigma of your actions are labeled against him? Earlier today, a lady came here accusing you of arresting a man called Andy. And not just that, she gave you 24 hours to release the same man. If not, blood will flow. My king, what is happening? What is going on?
If not, blood will flow.
Yes.
Who the hell is that lady? Who's the person? Did you get her arrested? Is she locked up here?
No, I didn't.
You let her go? Huh? And you call yourself my wife, my queen? Guards! Guards! Who's the lady that came here?
She's Naza, the poultry woman, the daughter of Mazi Amadi.
You know her?
Yes, Your Highness.
You know where she lives?
Yes, Your Highness.
Find her. Bring her to me at once. Go!
My king, your attention is needed.
What for?
The same lady that came here yesterday, she wants to break down the gate.
Really?
Yes.
Madness ends today. Are you mad?
Now you dey mad. If let's say you not get home training, if let's say you not get conscience, let's say come back to this village to come bury him papa. You seize in building, seize in land, still get mind and rest time join. And you dey pray for long life. I swear to God you go soon die because you can never have long life. I gave you 24 hours to release Andy from the station. You have 4 hours left to release that man. Put a call across and make him come out from that station now, else that body goes surplus.
I see you are truly mad. You come into my palace, the king of this land, and you rain insults upon me? Huh? You challenge the mountain lion? I will bury you exactly where you stand. Lock that gate! Lock it! Shooter!
Try him! Try him! Try him now! You think only the craze? I could tell you say craze pass you. Aura for aura, picking for picking. Release Andy and I go give you your picking. Otherwise I go buy this boy. I don't get my...
Put my son down.
I no triumph. Anything I want sub, make it sub. I no go triumph. Triumph. I don't get conscious. I go blast and die for here. Nothing go sub. Triumph. This is not only the craze. And the craze too. I'm gonna let you the mad or car. My king. Try nonsense with me. He's my only son. Please. Please.
Put my son down.
No. Near me, your blood go enter ground, you mad.
Please, I beg you, please, please. That's my only son, please. Please, please.
No!
Don't harm my son, please. My king, please do something. Do something, please. Please, please. My king. She's going with my child. She's going with my child. Please. My king, please. Over there. Please. Please, that's my only child, please. Please, please do something. That's my only child. Please, I beg you, please. Please, that's my only son, please. Please, that's my only son, please. Please do something, please. Wait. Cut your gun.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Seal that woman's compound. Her father's properties, our lands, everything sealed. Nobody goes in, nobody comes out. And I want that woman here. Bring her to me now.
Yes, Your Highness.
I swear to God, I'm not the owner of the gun, officer. I don't even know how the gun got into my car, officer. Officer, please, I'm innocent, please. Officer, I'm not the... Officer! Talk to me! Officer, please, I'm innocent, officer. I'm innocent, officer, please. Oh, God, please, officer, please. I swear to God, I'm innocent. Officer.
Tell me, how many operations have you used that gun?
I'm innocent, officer, please. Oh, God, please, officer, please. I swear to God, I'm innocent.
You're still lying.
Officer, please.
Eh?
Officer, please, officer, please. Officer, please, I'm innocent. Officer, I'm innocent, please. Tell me the truth. Stop! Officer, please, I'm innocent. Officer, please don't kill me. Officer, I'm innocent. I swear to God, I don't even know how that gun got into my car. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please. Officer, please. I swear to God, I'm not
joking.
Officer, don't kill me, please. I'm not a criminal. Please, officer, please. Lord, please.
He finally arrested you. I know it will get to that level.
That man dey mad though. He go release that man, whether he likes it or not. He go release my friend.
But yourself, which kind of mind you get? Wetin give you the mind, the morale to enter palace, go challenge her?
Since nobody won't talk to her, somebody gats tell him the truth. And wetin I do be that. Yes.
Baby, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very, very careful. Because na very risky movement you make. Yeah, you get a lot to lose.
When he died, I talk. I bet follow me, ma go see Andy for station.
Where do you want to go see?
Like now.
Oh yeah, now. Ma go change.
Why? Why you want change? You get paid for that station. You're okay like this now. I bet move they go.
Go. Good afternoon. We are here to see someone.
You again? You guys say the mission, Abi?
Officer, I'm not here to see you guys. We are here to see someone.
Andy, una people lock her for nothing.
Hey, be careful. Don't talk anyhow here. If you say you want me, can what you hear me?
Officer, we are not here for troubles. Can we please see him?
If you say you're the crazy, Abi. If you talk anyhow here, I will lock you up here.
Lock her, I hail you. Lock you up here.
It's obvious they don't want us to see him. I'm sure Dikeh's hand is in this. Yes. Please, let's go.
Okay, what's your couple to Andy? Go just suffer for nothing. I'm not going anywhere.
We need to go and strategize.
What is corruption? You have that open eye. I will shoot count for your eye. Corruption when you're in this country. You know what they do.
See the place?
I better get out.
What is here? Wait. I go leave her. No, leave her. Me? Leave who? Come here.
My king is not necessary. You can avoid all of this. You can't keep dragging your name on the mud with these people. Just release the young man for peace to reign.
That will never happen. Nobody does this to me and goes scot-free. Nobody has ever insulted me and lived to tell this story. Not even a woman, mere woman. She had the guts to come in here and point a gun at me, the mountain lion. Never! Before the end of today, I will have her head on my hands.
My king, I'm still your wife. You should listen to me sometimes.
I did not marry you to advise me, woman. Shut up. I married you to give me an heir. Give me a son. You've done that. Your job is done. So when I'm talking, shut up. I don't need your advice.
The king is crazy. The king is mad.
Honestly, Mama, I don't know what else to do. My husband has become a tyrant king to his own people. I fear for my son because these people may transfer their aggression to my innocent son. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I've tried talking to him, but it's not working.
But I warned you, Ola. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. You were so blinded by love that you couldn't even see the red flags while they were right there staring at you. Huh? Now tell me, a young man who does not listen to his wife, nor anybody, is a walking chaos. Look, honestly, I don't know what to say to you again. Dan, Ola, carry your cross. Because I want you. Because give me my grandson. Now.
Mama, you have to help me
out. How are you?
You have to help me out because I've tried. You have to help me out. You're my mother. Because I don't know. I've tried. I
don't know what to say again. Ola, carry your cross. You are big now. Nah, I'm making your favorite food, huh?
Papa, you dey come out?
My brother, how is it going?
They go well, oh. Papa, I'll say you jam the kitchen door. You lock them? No, I won't lock them now. Every time you go, they say make I help you. But now you always use this back door. You know they ever use front. Every time you go there, pew, you go past back door, come out. So pew, go back, go lock them. Papa, you see, they busy. Go lock them now. Go lock them. I don't say you go lock them.
Please.
No, Papa, go, Jama. No, they beg me, go. No. Follow here, jam the door. Not so.
Why are you putting seal on my gate? And what have I done to deserve this?
Order from the king. Your land and this house is now King Ekwedike's property.
Hey! Hey!
Old man, if you know what is good enough for you, you and your family should move out of the property now!
Hey! Who are you going to see? Hey, where will I go from here? Hey! Oh, hey! Hey, who are
Oh no. I'm in trouble.
Trouble? Why? How?
Mr. Igbo, he sent his boys to come and seal up my land and properties. Truly, I don't know what my offense is.
My God. I just hope that is because of your daughter Naza. Because the other time, I remember, yes, she was trying to form quarrel with Dikeh. No.
No. Truly, I don't know. I need your help. If you come along with me to the palace and plead my case with Ebube, please.
Amadi say, come to the palace to do what? Oh, you think our Igwe is a reasonable human being, eh? He only gets satisfied with things from the darkest part of his heart. Okay, I come on here, I'm sorry. Not to me.
What would you have me do? What do you want me to do? There is no harm in trying. Maybe God will touch his heart to my favor. Please, come along with me and plead my case with you, but please, be Connie.
Amadi, I don't want you to feel that I don't want to help you. I will help you. But let me tell you this, let me make it clear to you that this very subject matter, there's a big harm in this trial. I'm telling you. I'll go and get ready and we can go there. Wait for me, come on.
Hey, gods of our land, please, let the presence of Ono who pacifies the heart of the king to my favor, please. Hey.
stubborn? What point are you trying to prove? Why do you choose fear over respect from your people? A king who does not have love for his people, what kind of king does that make you? Ekwedik, I'm still talking to you and you're walking away. Listen, I'm your wife and I must tell you the truth. If others are afraid of you, I'm not. Change your ways, Ekwedik.
Talking to me? Are you mad? Shut up! In my presence now.